Today I am going to be making a very tasty and delicious winter recipe that is super simple to make. This day I am also going to be getting the house ready with the daily cleaning routine that I usually follow along with some fun organizing tricks. During the winter, I enjoy making this simple dish of matar pulao, which takes very little time to prepare. First, we are going to add some cumin seeds and bay leaf to oil. Carrots and onion will be added after that. My trick to giving this recipe a little extra flair is ginger garlic paste. This pulao recipe will be unique from any other you've ever heard of, since there's one more thing I'll add later on. Although it's completely optional, I'll be adding some leftover paneer as well. Oh, and to accompany this recipe, I'll be giving a unique twist on raita. This rice should be cleaned and pre-soaked for at least 20 minutes. After adding peas or matar, which were frozen ones that I used, and a bit of salt and red chili powder, we can then add our pre-soaked rice. Now that we have one more ingredient to add, we won't add too much water at this stage. And that one ingredient is coconut milk. So we'll add coconut milk after the rice appears to have absorbed a little bit of the water. The list of spices to add to the raita will be displayed on the screen. However, the addition of mustard oil to the tadka and a dash of kasuri methi is what sets this raita apart. The three major components of tadka are hing, red chili powder and mustard seeds. Black salt, bundi and kasuri methi will be added separately. 널 만나기 전 누군가 위해 노래한 적 없어. 길어지는 대화 속 정신없어 내게 비우고 있어. 모두 말해 내게 꿈결해두면 실망할 테니 수빈 무의미해 네 매력은 또 변화구를 던져 가슈 그 누구보다. When the rice is almost done, add the paneer and turn off the flame. Before serving, take it off the heat for a bit. There's a pleasant hint of coconut in this recipe, but it is obviously optional. When I want something easy yet delicious, I always make this recipe. The following day was devoted to completing a few household chores. Many of you frequently inquire as to where I purchase my bed linens from. To tell the truth, they come from several sources. I mostly purchased from neighborhood shops in India. Oh my sweet baby. I find that this large IKEA basket is particularly useful for moving loads of laundry from one room to another. 정민 방 안에서 울려 퍼지는 기타 들려주고 싶어.
Spices are, in my opinion, the one item that's always in abundance in any Indian home.
Cause you 그 누구보다 눈이 참 예뻐. Yeah, you 그 누구보다 사랑스러워.
We tend to save a lot of them in our backup in addition to using a wide variety of them. I just so happen to have a ton of packages that are kind of half full. I can see all of the packets if I flatten them in this manner, balance them out and store them vertically. It's like an excellent file system, at least for me. The weekend has just ended and it was filled with lots of hanging out and seeing friends. I always leave my bathroom counter cluttered with hair tools and cosmetics after a hurried change of clothes. To clean this part of the house, I prefer to use a moist wipe. A homemaker's daily schedule often entails a variety of activities, but some of them are basic necessary maintenance chores that I doubt we could avoid doing. I must admit that not all of these chores are the most attractive. That being said, my daily routine consists of numerous little tasks as well as one large task that I usually set aside for myself each day. Tell me if you enjoyed the life of a homemaker as well. Here's Home Gupshup saying goodbye until next time.